about this one? Garlic.
Garlic.
Yes.
Garlic. Onion. Egg.
Yes.
Chicken.
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
And the last one?
The last one, carrot.
Okay.
Oh, don't forget.
And don't forget.
Rice. Ready, let's go.
Alright, we start with oil. How much do we put in?
I think.
Do you reckon that's enough?
I think.
A little bit more? Or no? A little bit more, right? Is that enough? That's enough, right? Okay. The next item is?
It's
Garlic. Garlic. Good girl.
Oh, it's not the bird.
It's okay. So what do you call this process? No, the process. It's it's frying. So next we need to put the
Onion.
onion. So what's next? You choose. Which one do you want to put in first? You can pick anyone.
I think we're going to put
Chicken?
some chicken.
Chicken, okay.
But it's a little bit
Say goodbye to the chicken.
Only, I think, okay, fine.
Is that enough?
But there's so many chicken.
It's okay, you like chicken.
Like your chicken, it make me dance.
Okay, next we put the
Shrimp.
rib.
Is it funny? Oh! Is that enough?
Yeah. And then you need to put the
We have to put the egg.
Good.
This, like that.
Yeah.
And we put the egg.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think because of the wind, the fire is not consistent.
okay, now we got 3.
We got 3 left, right?
Yeah,
So but we need to cook the egg properly, yeah?
yeah.
That's why you cannot touch the,
The pot.
not the pot, the
The
stove.
stove.
It's almost done. So
I think
the last item is
it's the butter.
the butter. Why do we need to put the butter?
I think this is the last ingredient
Yes, to make it
to make it nice.
nice. Yeah, to make it nice and glazy.
Crazy.
Yep. Give it a little quick mix. And it's turn off the fire. Then you can put on the plate. This plate.
This plate looks
Yeah.
beautiful.
It's beautiful, right? So it comes with
Okay. Oh, it's a bit. Okay, is that enough? Okay, that's enough. try my fried rice.
I thought there was a monster under my bed.
It's my fried rice. Okay, see you later. Bye! Yes, let's go.
Okay, first we need to put the
Oil.
oil in. How much? Is that enough?
I think that's enough.
Okay. If you say so. And then we add the
We add the garlic.
Alright. Again.
Chicken.
And then we put a shrimp.
A shrimp.
And then we put an egg.
An egg.
And then we put a rice.
Rice.
And then we put a mixed veggie.
A veggie.
And
It's
then
like a snow.
and then we put a butter.